Hey yo, it's Chris O again. Part 2 of the water stop saga. Now, these are pre-made screens, and this one is 1100 by 900. So I've gone 910 and 1110. That's allowing for the wall tile. Now, this guy, he's waterproofed it himself, but he hadn't watched my videos. He does now, but I'm having to sort of fix things up for him a little bit. That is a super no-no. You see that puddle flange? Yes, he's used a puddle flange, but he's done it wrong, as in the water will never get up and over that puddle flange and go down the hole. It's got to be flush. The other biggie is this floor. It's a wooden floor and it's out of level. See how I've had to lift it up? Now that's level. So if that was screeded and all the water soaked through the screed, as it does, it would hit that waterproof and run. Without these, it would run all the way to the door and you'd have a super wet floor somehow. See that? I've got to fix that. I'll run some silicone up there around that small niche. It needs some as well. But anyway, I'm going to have him waterproof on top of my screed once I've done it, which then it has fall for the water to run off down the waste, and it's all hunky-dory. It won't even go out onto this floor because this will stop it all. See how this wooden floor is way out of level? It's a tile width which is about 7 mil. So in 1100 it's 7 mil out of level. So another meter, it's probably about 12 mil out of level, which is which is a lot. But let's just bog it up. It's all very well being a DIY, but you need to see a video or two first. Not just sort of wing it like this guy has done, and it's wrong. But he's tried his best. At least he gave it a go. Now the biggie with these sausages is just cut the little metal piece off. Like so, chuck it out the door there, because then that part of the sausage comes up in here and it doesn't get over your thread. I had a hell of a lot of trouble a while ago, long while ago, because I used to use the other silicone in the tubes, but now I use this all the time. So I always used to cut around here, and it's always short, and silicone or bond breaker joint sealer, it would get on my thread like so, and you can't, like, two people cannot unscrew it. It's knackered, so you throw it away, which is a bummer. But just with cutting off the small metal part, you're laughing. You can use a sausage gun over and over and over again. It's brilliant. I didn't notice that. Where's my tape? The masking tape stuff. And here it must be. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll screed the both, and then I can lay both floors, both walls. Ooh, I'll kill it. This one, because I'm able to work two at once, two bathrooms at once, which is a real goodie. Right, we're just holding that together. Like so. On the line, am I? Yep. Up and over, like so. On the inside. Come around. Right, up my inside there. Make sure I've got that nicely sealed off.